What's up, homies? Welcome back to Teach Me Tuesdays. If you guys have a request for a tutorial, the link to the Discord's in the description or up on the screen. Below the video, there's also a thank you button where you can leave a tip if this video helps you out. Today we are going to learn how to play No Benefits by Braddahoodz, so grab your ukuleles and let's go jam. Hey, before I forget, here's your discount code to use in the merch store where you can get your tank tops, your shirts, your sweaters for cold season, or even your Teach Me Tuesday notebooks. So yeah, feel free to use this. Okay, let's continue with the video. Okay guys, this one is only 2 chords and it's really easy. So first chord we're going to play is B minor. We're going to bar this 2nd fret right here, cover the top string on the 4th fret, and then we're going to play C sharp minor, which all we're going to do is bring this up to the 4th fret, right here. Okay, so B minor and C sharp minor. Alright, okay, let's go over the structure for this one. So we got an intro, then we got verse 1, we're going to go with the pre-chorus and then chorus, verse 2, pre-chorus, chorus, and outro. Hi guys, I just want to give you a quick note about the strumming. I play by ear. I learned and I taught myself how to play by listening to the music on the radio and then emulating it the best way I could. The reason that I put the play along portion of the videos is so that you can watch what my hands are doing and copy it for yourself. There's even a feature on YouTube where you can slow down the video, and I think that could also help, is to watch it in a slower speed and you can see and listen for every time my fingers hit the strings. I apologize that I wasn't properly educated. I apologize that I am not an educator and I cannot properly tell you how to strum. That is why I don't include strumming tutorials, because I technically don't know how to strum. I just hear what I hear and then I emulate it for myself. Again, I apologize. I'm truly sorry. It is what it is. Sorry. Alright. Same 2 chords the entire song, guys. Let's go. Thank you so much for joining me in today's tutorial. If you're new here, subscribe. If you like the video, give it a like. And if this video helps you out, leave a tip with the thank you button below. In the description, there's a link to the Discord where you can make your request for a tutorial, as well as the merch link where you can use the discount code. Okay, I'll see you guys next week. Okay then.